Hi, in the world of corporate training, there are many methods and approaches to deliver training to employees. One approach that is gaining popularity is microlearning. Microlearning is a way to deliver training in short and focused bursts that are designed to meet specific learning objectives. So where does microlearning fit in corporate training? Microlearning can be used as supplement or even replace traditional training method. It can be used as just-in-time training, allowing employees to quickly learn a new skill or refresh their memory on a particular topic. Microlearning can be delivered through a variety of formats such as videos, podcasts, quizzes, or interactive lessons. It can also be personalized, allowing employees to learn at their own pace and to focus on the topics that are most relevant to their job responsibilities. Microlearning is perfect for training employees on new software systems or introducing new products and services. It is also the most effective way to reinforce learning and promote knowledge retention. And because microlearning is delivered in small, digestible chunks, it can overcome the forgetting curve and improve long-term memory. Companies can also use microlearning to deliver compliance training such as safety protocols or harassment prevention. And because microlearning can be measured and tracked, companies can ensure their employees are completing the training and meeting the learning objectives. Microlearning fits into corporate training as a flexible, efficient, and effective approach that meets the needs of today's fast-paced business environment. Well, this was a brief on how microlearning can benefit corporate training. To explore more on what microlearning is and where does it fit in your learning strategy, the advantages, myths, and different formats of microlearning, download our ebook and get started with microlearning to achieve your organizational goals.